Global IT outsourcing. Global outsourcing is sourcing third-party service vendors from different geographical areas to conduct particular information technology operations. These have been catalyzed by the enhancement of globalization in business operations and the constant development of technology. Many business organizations contract IT service providers and software help desk, infrastructures, and data processing to capture competence and lower expenses like subcontracting core functions. However, outsourcing, like anything else, have advantages and disadvantages, which must be considered in detail. Advantages and disadvantages of the global outsourcing of IT services benefits. First one, the cost saving. The primary benefit inherent to outsourcing include expense savings, particularly in the area of employment. Employees' wages as relatively low wage rates can be found in many countries, leading to cost saving of up to 60%. Thirdly, outsourcing also minimizes the need to spend on costly infrastructure and technology. Second one, access to expertise. Outsourcing helps companies access professionals from other parts of the world who are disciplined and experienced in particular area. This is particularly useful for organizations that require complicated IT services that cannot be offered within the firm's premises. Third is the scalability and flexibility. Outsourcing enables organizations to adjust the number of IT organizations with varying workloads of employees or when there is specific time of the year with high work traffic. Coming to the fourth one, focus on core business. IT functions are outsourced to relieve organizations of responsibilities peripheral to the core competencies, thus enhancing the exercise of core business. 24 by 7 support. It allows round the clock IT support since different regions are in different time zones, thus allowing operations to go uninterrupted. Everything has benefits and disadvantages. When coming to the drawbacks, the quality control. Outsourcing is another major factor that prevents the constant quality due to inconsistency in the quality of services. They point towards the variation of standards, work practices among the employees, and communication barriers that influence the quality and types of services delivered. Security risk. IT function may refer to their outsourcing arrangement as risky due to insecurity issues such as data leakage and piracy. Fragile. Security measures and non-adherence to data protection policies are a necessity that must be met. Communication barriers. Language and cultural differences pose great risk that limit interaction between outsourcing and service firms. Dependence on third parties. IT sourcing and outsourcing may also pose dependency problems because an external provider may run crucial IT functions. Accessing this service entails relying on service provider, which means that any disruption at the provider's end will undoubtedly affect the company. Hidden costs. Even though the level of direct cost is lower when outsourcing is used, there are such as co- other such costs as transition costs, overhead costs for managing an outsourcing contract, and costs of addressing service problems. Well, Google Inc. IT strategies. Google Inc. operating under the umbrella of Alphabet Inc. is an American multinational technology company focusing on internet related services and products. Thus, managing and organizing IT in Google is based on three pillars, namely innovation, scalability, and security. The firm relies on its large and efficient networks of large data centers and superior cloud services to offer numerous products and services such as search, advertising, cloud, software, and hardware. Google highly value analytical insights and innovations based on the algorithms that contribute to its organization strategy and services for its users. The security and privacy of the firm's IT systems are also well considered, and the firm spends adequate amount of money depending its consumers' data from hackers and other online threats. Investigation of outsourcing on the IT approach of Google. Google has adopted a systematic method of IT outsourcing for some tasks while others are done within the company. This approach enables Google to combine the efficiency and effectiveness of outsourcing with the need to protect and security of one of its primary business assets. The area of outsourcing includes the technical support. Some of the Google products and services involve outsourcing technical support to ensure round-the-clock customer service worldwide. This plays a significant role in ensuring the customers are always happy and problems are solved. Non-core functions. The other general maintenance activities, including IT and other clerical activities, are outsourced to ensure they incur less cost. Specialized services. Google allows its IT work to be done by outside vendors. employing other firms for specific areas of IT that are best dealt with by specialists such as complex software development, IT consultancies. Impact on IT strategy, cost efficiency. Outsourcing non-strategic and repetitive IT operations help Google free resources and improve its overall cost effectiveness. Access to global talent. Outsourcing for Google means gaining access to a talent pool worldwide and the best technologies out there. Focus on competencies. The ability to retail critical competencies such as crucial IT functions in Google allows the firm to control the quality and security of its core competencies. Scalability. The fact that companies can promote outsourcing as a win-win situation for all involved means that it offers the need flexibility that can ensure quick selling in matters concerning business development, which is particularly crucial for organizations that are experiencing fast growth and expansion. Risk management. Google minimizes outsource risks by following the proper vendor selection criteria, effective contracting, and constant oversight to ensure that outsourced process support Google's strategic plan and security frameworks. Well, coming to the conclusion, global IT outsourcing helps reduce cost, leverage expertise, flexibility, and concentration on strategic primary activities. And it has drawbacks like the lack of quality standards, access to data and information security, and problems with knowledge sharing. The example of Google's IT strategy highlights that it is possible to follow the plan of outsourcing and at the same time retain control over the key processes. The hybrid model enables Google to gain the best IT experience, create new solutions, and achieve good security to meet its business goals. If Google and other companies implement sound strategies for both the advantages and disadvantages of outsourcing, they can obtain significant operational benefits while sustaining the advantages in technological fields.